Hey everyone! Are you looking to diversify your investment portfolio by adding a shiny twist? Today, I'm going to walk you through how to open your Sarwa account and start investing in silver, all from the comfort of your digital devices. Let's dive right in. First up, why silver? Silver is not just for jewelry. It's a precious metal that can hedge against inflation and is a fantastic addition to any investment portfolio. Alright, step 1. Download the Sarwa app. It's available on both Android and iOS, so just head to your app store, type in Sarwa, and hit download. Once it's installed, open the app and get ready to set up your account. Step 2. Create your account. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, email, and a secure password. Make sure to use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to make your password strong. Step 3. Verify your identity. For this, Sarwa needs a copy of your government-issued ID and a recent utility bill or bank statement to confirm your address. This is a standard procedure to ensure everything is on the up and up. Just snap a photo of these documents within the app and upload them. Now onto the fun part. Step 4. Funding your account. You can link your bank account directly or make a wire transfer. Once your funds are deposited, you're ready to invest in silver. Step 5. Investing in silver. In the Sarwa app, navigate to the Commodities section, select silver, and decide how much you want to invest. You can buy silver in different forms, be it coins, bars, or silver ETFs. Each form has its own benefits, so choose what best fits your investment goals. And that's it! You've officially opened your Sarwa account and started your journey in silver investing. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep learning, stay consistent, and monitor your investments. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you never miss out on new financial tips and tricks. Until next time, keep investing smartly. And remember to share this video with your friends who might be interested in investing in silver. Like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.